So I got my next project in the shop. I believe it's a 2016 Columbia, but it's a glider. It was a Fitzgerald glider. Got a 12.7 Detroit in it. This truck's been sitting for a few years. This does have a fuel cap, but we were just looking at the things a minute ago. I need to put duals back on it, new wheels, new tires. It's got our first generation Pro tote on there that I've cut all the manual stuff off, and I'm going to put electric winch on this, mount some lights on it so that it's usable again. It's pretty nice instead of using the Zack lift for quick jobs. Grab by the rear and go. We had this truck painted a while ago, and now it's just time to get it running and put it back out on the road. Pretty tight in the shop, you can't get a good view. But this is our next project. Hopefully we'll have this thing running by the end of the week.